welcome back to the Courtney and Dodger show. And on this episode, we're going to teach you how to walk your dog without your dog pulling you and hurting you. First, we are going to give you a demonstration. Observe. This is the wrong way to do it. Whoa! Whoa! Stop pulling me! Oh! This is the right way to do it. Walking down the street. 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 Walking. Dodger's not very good at this yet. Yeah, I know. Anyway, so we're sorry for that horrible demonstration. But we'll try to get better next time, right, Dodger? He's not telling the truth. He's gonna do it worse. Let's try one more time, Dodger, okay? We're gonna do the right way to do it. Loving family. Dodger, come on. Walking down the street. Running down the street. Running down the street. Because running gives you exercise. And exercise is key. And we thank you. Bye.